Hello, good morning everyone. In this session, I am going to discuss a problem on electric potential from the chapter Electrostatics. Let us see the question. Here, two metal spheres A and B have their capacities in the 3:4. They are put in contact with each other and amount of charge 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb is given to the combination. Next, the two spheres are separated and kept wide apart so that one has no electrical influence on the other. Find the potential due to smaller sphere at a distance 50 meters from it. This is the question. In this question, how to approach the problem? Initially, two spheres, one is smaller and another one is bigger. They have capacities 3:4. Next, both are in contact initially. Total charge on both it is given. After that, both are separated. Then what happens? One has no electrical influence on other. There is no electrical influence, no force act between them. Next, at that time, find potential due to smaller sphere at a distance of 50 meters from it. The charge is distributed between two spheres. What is the charge present on first sphere? From that 50 meter distance, we have to find potential. Let us see. Draw diagram. Smaller sphere, larger sphere. Q1 charge present on this, Q2 charge present on this. Both are in contact. In this case, total charge is given 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. Therefore, Q1 plus Q2, that is nothing but Q is equal 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb it is given. Next. Here, capacities are in the ratio 3:4. C1 is to C2 is equal to 3:4. Next. In this case, C1 by C2, 3/4. C2 is equal to 4/3 C1. Next, what is Q1? C1 V. V is the potential of the spheres. Right? Here, in this case, Q1 is equal to C1V plus Q2 is equal to C2V. C1V plus C2V is equal to 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6. C2 place, I can write 4/3 C1V is equal to 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6. This is C1V plus 4/3 C1V. Total 7/3 C1V is equal to 7 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Therefore, from this C1V is equal to 7 gets cancelled. 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. Right? This is equation 1. Right? Here, from this C1V I got. What is this C1V? It is Q1. Therefore, Q1 is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 coulomb. We have to calculate from this sphere. Both are separated. In next step, what happened? Both are separated. No influence. One sphere due to another one. This is smaller sphere. This is larger sphere. Right? no influence of one sphere due to on another. So this q1 attained by this 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6. From this, where we have to find at 50 meter distance potential. What is that? 50 meter distance. We have to calculate V, right? After separating the two spheres, then what is that? Here it hold this charge from this point at 50 meters distance from the center. We have to calculate potential, right? Let us see in the next board. Continue. Here V is equal to, due to this sphere at that point, k q1 by r1, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q1 by r1. It is 9 into 10 to the power of 9 into q1, 3 into 10 to the power of minus 6 by r1. It is 50 meters, right? Here see this, 27 into 10 to the power of 3000 by 50. What we will get? 50 ones are 50 20s. 27 into 20. It is 540 volt. That is potential due to this smaller sphere at the point which is located at 50 meter distance. Have you got it? Any doubt in this? Thank you.